Welcome to Digital Sculptors. Today we are excited to announce version 4.0 of the Export IGES add-on. This is a major update. The new update combines individual bicubic patches into big patches. This helps in reducing the number of patches. This also helps in using the surfaces for further CAD operations. Please be aware that this add-on is meant to export the limit surfaces of a quad-dominant subdivision mesh. This is not meant to export dense mesh data, whether be it triangulated or not. Let us open the sample Blender file and export the limit surface to an IGES file to see the difference between the new version and the previous versions. Select the hood and export it using a refinement level of 1 and the rest of the options as default. Open the file in any CAD program. We will use FreeCAD for this exercise. First, let us open the file created using version 3.0 of the add-on. Notice that each of the mesh faces is converted to its limit surface. Let's open the file written by the new version. As you can see, the new version has far fewer patches. The limit surfaces around the extraordinary vertices are always converted as separate patches and are named as G_1, G_2, etc. These patches are degree 5 Bezier patches. The combined patches are named as S_1, S_2, and so on. These patches are bicubic in nature with varying spans, based on the geometry. The add-on tries to combine the patches as much as possible. The result is far fewer patches with optimum continuity across the extraordinary vertices. In CAD software that supports layer information, all combined patches will be in layer 10, and the Gregory patches in layer 1 to 4 depending on the refinement level. This has helped to isolate those patches easily. The new update is available at Gumroad and Superhive stores and is free for all previous customers. Thank you once again for your continued support.